micro ATMs are being launched in the hands of the Honorable CM, Government of Goa. With this launch, Goa SCB gets the distinction of being the first cooperative branch in the country.
I will go 100%. I will not accept cash after. On the 1st October 2018, we will not accept cash. The person will have to go to the bank, buy a draft if he doesn't have any mechanism, and pay to the government counter. But basically the concept which is very important for government is, if I make it compulsory for government, every person indirectly develops capability of paying through the digital mode. So we will require a huge number of POS. Now State Bank has already signed agreement with us for 650 POS. Charges is of course one component which needs to be addressed. I will hold a meeting with bankers before that. I believe that digitalization is the best thing that can happen to this country. Less the cash, less corruption. Less the cash, less evil. Less the cash, state income increases, improves, and with that lesser is the burden of the tax.
पणजे नाबार्डाच्या वर्सुकी स्टेट क्रेडिट सेमिनारात पर्रीकार उलयतालो. CRZ वाठारात शेतकारांक CRZ नेमांच्यो खंय कटकटी जातात. तरीकय शेती उत्पादन 6% वाडोवपाचे सरकाराचे टार्गेट.
As far as Goa is concerned, the scenario is quite complicated. It has been my endeavor to push agriculture income growth to 6%. I think this year it should be around 5%. From a negative growth of about 4% in 2011-12, getting it to 4% plus, and now trying for 6% plus is a big achievement in the state of Goa. The reasons are multifold. Reasons which are not exactly in our control are as follows. Number one, CRZ. Number two, if a farmer wants to do anything in CRZ other than actually planting the seeds, he has to take permission from the CRZ committee. He has to put a pump house, he requires a permission. He wants to have a small construction for storing his good, he needs a permission. This is compounded with forest laws.
नाबार्डान 2018-19 वर्सा गोंया खातीर वट्ट 7,413 कोटींचे क्रेडिट प्रोजेक्शन दवरला. तातूंत शेती खातीर फक्त 14%.
Promoting dairy development and cashew, commercial cashew cultivation. Cashew is synonymous to Goa, and its development is crucial for the state. Good management practices are essential for rejuvenation of cashew cultivation in the state.
Coming to the broad sector-wise GLC flow, as we can see during last year, the total credit flow, ground level credit was 4,755 crores. The commercial banks are the major purveyors of credit. Crop loans was around 331 crores. There is not much difference. The crop loan figures are actually stagnant over the years. In MSME, if you see, there is a jump from 777 crores to 2,940. This is because of the revised RBI classifications, wherein the medium enterprises was included in the micro and small enterprises, and it became MSME sector from last year onwards, 2016-17. So there is a jump in the MSME sector, and over the period of years, we are seeing that the credit is going on increasing in the state.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.